All right, question number 17. The graphs of two rational functions, f and g, are shown. One of them is given by the expression 2 minus 3x divided by x. Which graph is it? Explain how you know. Okay, so you can see that it has a vertical asymptote at x equals 0, right? This is x equal 2, this is x equal 1, at x equals 0. You see it approaching but never touching. So this is x equals 0. And that comes from the denominator. The fact that we can't have a total of 0 in the denominator, so we can't plug in x equals 0 because the value will be undefined. And that's what we see here. It goes up very quickly and down very quickly as you get closer to x equals 0. All right. Now, the y value for the horizontal asymptote is at y equal negative 3. Okay? If we look at g of x, we still have our x equal 0 asymptote. X equal 2, x equal 1, x equals 0. You can see at x equals 0, you're not actually going to touch. Now this is at y equal positive 3. So now the question is, which level does this approach as x approaches infinity? Its end behavior. So let's take this 2 minus 3x over x. I'll write it bigger. 2 minus 3x divided by x. And then we said substitute infinity for x to see what happens as x goes to infinity. Okay. So 2 minus 3 infinity is going to be negative 3 infinity. Because adding 2 to negative 3 infinity is not going to be enough to change negative 3 infinity, if that makes sense. We'll show a second way to show this in a minute. Okay, so if you don't like the infinities, just give me a minute, I'll show it the other way. So 2 minus 3 infinity over infinity can be written as just negative 3 infinity over infinity. Then infinity divided by infinity is 1. So we're left with y equal negative 3. So you can see that this is the graph. Approaches y equal negative 3. But there's a second way for us to do this, which is to simplify this fraction. So this can be rewritten as 2 over x minus 3x over x. Like that. Then we can say 3x divided by x is just 3. Now, again, substitute infinity. 2 over infinity is essentially 0. So we're left with 0 minus 3. So that's going to take us to y equal negative 3.